Hello, namaste everybody. Merry Christmas, happy holidays.
Namaste, namaste, Merry Christmas. Yay, it's already Christmas.
Meri ki teri?
मेरी तेरी हम सब की Christmas.
Yeah.
So yeah, आप सब कैसे हैं? संदीप तुम कैसे हो? I'm seeing
I'm
you
great.
like what after a month.
Yeah, we've been, if you've been watching our shows, we've been doing remote shows actually.
That's right.
Keeping, safety measures. But yeah, I'm seeing her after a month, unfortunately.
Yeah, and वो भी mask के साथ.
Yeah.
And I have my gloves on. He will have them on very soon. But आज हम एक बहुत ही important event पे हैं and a very noble cause for sure. And we are at a place that is very close to our heart because it's your house,
Your
my house,
my house,
India house.
India house. That's right. You see behind us?
Yes. So India House, as we all know, is a non-profit organization serving the community for a very long time. And they do different programs during the pandemic. They have, moved everything online, doing different online classes. But one program which is very, very successful, and they've been helping a lot of people, more than 2,000 families, almost on a monthly basis. So that's the food distribution. The Houston, in association with Houston Food Bank. तो उसमें पूरे हफ्ते भर की almost fresh groceries होती हैं, and fresh produce basically. So we see a lot of people come in here, but today Deep and I decided that चलो हम live दिखाते हैं क्या होता है. So yes, that's the entrance. We'll turn the camera. Yeah, entrance वहाँ से गाड़ियाँ आती हैं, and if you see, we have the cops there and everybody, and all the cars are lining up right there, and each time there are more than 250 families, 300 families that get served. And India House has been doing this bi-weekly, but they're also aiming at doing this almost every week going forward. And we'll talk in a little bit about how you can be a part of it, how you can sponsor, how you can volunteer, and we'll also talk to the executive director, Colonel Vipin Kumar. So here we have all the cars lining up, but अभी हम अंदर भी चलते हैं. यहीं से चलते हैं संदीप अंदर.
Let's go in.
Yeah.
Look at all those cars.
Yeah. And it's done very systematically. It's contactless drive-through food distribution. You just come in, you just register. There are cops there guiding you. There's a person who helps you register. You don't even have to write anything. They just take your name, number of people in the household, and that's the only information they need. And then we have volunteers here who are, everything's done very systematically. All these volunteers put all the food produce in the car. So, आप सबको वो दिख रहा है Houston Food Bank का food truck. So that is the truck जो हर सुबह food distribution के दिन में यहाँ पे आता है. And let's go inside. All these volunteers, and volunteers are the key for this food distribution. So all these volunteers, they help unload that, all those, that entire truck basically, food pallets, everything inside in the India House hall. And again, very systematically done. So let's.
Oh, sorry.
So as a volunteer, first you come sign in, and we have gloves, sanitizers everywhere. And like I was saying, once the truck is here, the food needs to be unloaded. All these volunteers do that. So there are different stations. So let's see what we have today. Since today we have a lot of fresh produce, so they have to be bagged because they have to be divided in, for almost those 250, 300 families. So here we have bell peppers, green bell peppers, a lot of green bell peppers today. Then station 2, let's see.
Pears.
Pears, okay. So there are all the pears there. Okay. And then here we have,
Bananas.
yeah, different stuff.
Oh, different.
We do have masks also, I think.
Awesome.
Yeah. cereals. So each family is getting all of this. There are chips, there are cereals, there are some drinks. Amazing stuff. Look at this. There's mayonnaise. I mean, everybody needs that. And then we have the yellow bell peppers, right? Yellow bell peppers. Hello. Potatoes. आपको एक पूरा पोटैटो ये मिलेगा.
These are oranges, and I think some of them are grapefruit.
So mixed fruits. Look at this, and they're bagging each, for each family. How many are you putting in one bag, like?
15 in there. 15 in.
Pumpkin. What? They're called spaghetti squash. Oh yeah. And these days, if you're eating healthy, you can always, pull them out and eat them as noodles, right? So yeah, more squash. And lemon. And tomatoes. So tomatoes and right here. So if there's any produce that's not good to be served to the families, they separate them, and you can see all this sorting is done from 8 a.m. in the morning. And subah 8 baje se, and then now it's about 10:30. So now we start distributing the food to the families that have lined up. वो भी एक system है. The volunteers are divided. Half of them are, putting the stuff in the trolley, and half of the volunteers carry the trolley. So they start from station 1, 2, 3, all the way, and then they go out to the cars, and they put it in the car, and then they take another round. So that's how this is done, and every week we have, food distribution done almost every week at India House. So I'm going to quickly go look for, there we have. Let me see. We are live on Facebook, Dad.
Hi.
So yes, hello to everybody.
Hi Sandeep, how are you?
Hello, Uncle. How are you?
Yes, we have Colonel Vipin Kumar, the Executive Director of India House, और मेरे पिताजी भी. So that we spoke to them, we spoke to all our listeners and viewers about how it's done and the entire process. But do you want to share how people can sponsor for monthly, for one time, and even for food for the volunteers?
Okay. So the food is coming from Houston Food Bank.
Yeah.
And they are sending all the supply for the needy families. But in addition, because there's a lot of expense involved, so a lot of people are coming forward to sponsor. So for a month, they can sponsor by paying $500, and for 1 month, 2 distributions are given on their name. We have started now from this month onward an additional distribution. So it will be next week on Thursday. Generally it happens second and fourth Wednesday, but we are going to do it
Next
one
Wednesday,
extra.
right?
Next Wednesday, 30th.
30th, yeah.
December 30th, there is extra distribution. And volunteer can sign up. We send them a link, we send them an email and send them the link, they can sign up. The breakfast or the refreshment for the volunteers is provided by Maharaja Bhog. And also people are otherwise.
Yeah.
Of course, they have been doing it for last 2 years, and I'm so grateful to them that they have been supplying lunch or breakfast for all the volunteers.
And what's your phone number that they can contact?
Okay, they can call 713-929-1900, 713-929-1900, or send an email at vipin@indiahouseinc.org, vipin@indiahouseinc.org.
Okay, wonderful.
And thank you so much for covering Namaste. Thank you.
Thank you. We'll just continue showing them the, thank you for talking with us.
Thank you.
So you can see यहाँ पे trolleys आ रही है, and then people of all ages, and actually we have more of our senior citizens coming and helping us too. So all those cars, when they register, they have like 1 family clay, 2 family. You can see this car has 2 written on it, and so 2 trolleys will be emptied in the trunk.
Nice.
So yeah, this goes on till noon. So let's talk to a few volunteers. Hi, do you want to say something on how did you get to know about India House food distribution?
So one of my aunts signed me up for this. I didn't know that it actually happened, but then she told me that we are going to volunteer, and I think I'm here.
Great, and what's your name?
Swati.
Swati. Thank you for doing this, Swati. Merry Christmas. So yeah, let's go inside और एक दो और लोगों से बात करते हैं. And then Sandeep and I are going to get, on it and help all the food being distributed. You want to come show how it's done in the car? We have one written on it, so it's for one family. And the drivers don't have to get out of the car. They can be seated in the car and the volunteers will load everything in the car.
Amazing.
And this grocery is almost worth almost a week's worth of grocery. To a few volunteers. How did you hear about the food distribution?
I've been a resident for the last 48 years. I've been trying to get in, but thanks to Vipin, I was able to get in and start helping. So I've been trying for a long time.
And what's your name?
Nina.
Nina. Thank you, Nina, for doing this. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anytime.
Yeah, go ahead.
He is the one who has sponsored the food for the month of December.
Awesome.
Thank you for doing it.
You're welcome.
To finish the entire food over here. Yep. And let me show you the refreshments that we got today. So today Maharaja Bhog sent, and they've all been packed separately. There's poha and there's dhokla from Maharaja Bhog. So yeah, so people take, they rotate, take breaks and come in and see. So guys, you all know this is India House doing a great job for the community. This is one of the programs for India House, Houston Food Bank, in association with Houston Food Bank, the free food distribution, and it's contactless drive-through. So if, like even Dad said, there are many ways you can be a part of. You can sponsor for the month, you can sponsor for that one time, you can volunteer. So, just come on out and see what you want to do. So the number again is 713-929-1900, and or you can speak with Dad over there, Vipin Kumar, or you can email at vipin@indiahouseinc.org. And ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है, तो ज़रूर आइए, come forward and help out. Like we said, more than 2,000 people get served in a month. So yeah. And I see so many different volunteers every time. So many people come forward and help. And by God, coming out here, volunteering, and at the end of the day, everybody's so tired, but it's such a good feeling. Deep and me talking about the food distribution at India House, and we'll see you again on Sunday. And camera बदल दे. Sandeep, you want to say something?
No, it's
कैसा लगा?
great.
This is your first time, right?
First time here. It's a great feeling, good thing to see. Very inspiring. Very good to see all these volunteers. Hope everybody has a great Christmas and do what you can for the community. Right? Even though pandemic season, of course, you want to stay safe. Whatever you can do, just contribute. Contact India House if you want to volunteer for the next one.
Absolutely. And a lot of people are suffering. हमें शायद काफ़ी लोग बताते नहीं हैं एंड हमें शायद पता नहीं चलता है, लेकिन बहुत लोग हैं वहाँ पे बाहर जो जिनको इसकी ज़रूरत है. सो या कम फॉरवर्ड, सपोर्ट whichever way you can. Any amount is always welcome. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. And Sandeep और मेरी तरफ से नमस्ते.